Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm introducing to you my new channel in YouTube and I am going to teach some topics in mathematics for primary, secondary and postgraduate students. Now I'm going to start my first lecture in algebra. So the topic is algebraic functions. So, what are the algebraic functions? Algebraic functions are functions which contain at least one unknown. So, for example, x over 7 minus 2 over 5 minus y, x plus 2y over 1 minus y. So, those are called algebraic functions, and you can see they contains at least one unknown. So the x here is the unknown, here y is the unknown, here we have x and y, and those are also unknowns. So algebraic functions are called sometimes rational expressions. So to evaluate algebraic expression, we need to replace the unknown values with their values. For example, if we have a that is equal 3 and we have b that is equal minus 5, and the question is evaluate a minus b, that is just simply gonna be 3 minus b, that is minus 5, and this is going to be 3 plus 5, and this is 8. So to evaluate the algebraic expression, we just need to replace the unknown values and simply simplify the expression so that we can understand it more and make it more simple. So I can now take some examples. So if a is equal to and b equal minus 3 and c equal minus 5, evaluate. Number 1, a minus p over c. Number 2, a minus c minus p over b minus a. We need to replace these unknowns with their values. So number 1, the value of A is 2 minus the value of B is minus 3 over the value of C is minus 5. This is equal 2 minus minus, that's plus 3 over minus 5. This is equal 5 over minus 5, and that's equal 1 over minus 1, and that's minus 1. Number 2, same way, A is 2 minus C, the value of C is minus 5, minus B, the value of B is minus 3, all over B minus A. B is minus 3 minus A, which is 2. Then this is 2 minus minus, that is plus. Minus minus, that's plus 3 over minus minus 2, minus 3 minus 2, that's minus 5. This is equal 2 plus 5, that's 7, plus 3, that's 10. 10 over minus 5 is minus 2. So now I will give you guys an exercise, and I believe that everybody of you will be able to solve it. So if A is equal 3, B is equal 2, and C is 6, evaluate. Number 1, C over 2. Number 2, C over B minus A. Number 3, A, B all square over C. Number 4, C over A plus B. 5, A minus C over 2B. Number 6, A minus C over A plus C. Number 7, A squared over A minus B. So we only need to replace the unknown values with their values. So here, for example, this is number 1, C over 2, C is 6, then 6 over 2, that will be 3, and the rest is for you. So now we're going to talk also about what is called the cancellation. So this process was observed when we canceled number functions such as this function 12 over 28. So sometimes we have complicated fractions and we need to simplify them. So 12 over 28. So this is simply 4 times 3 over 28 is 4 times 7, right? So we have common factor in the numerator and in the denominator. So we simply cancel them. So 4 with the 4, then we have 3 over 7. For example, let's solve this. 4AB over 2A. A and B are unknowns, and A is a common factor here. So we simply also cancel the A with the A, and 4 over 2, that's 2. Then we get 2B
So this is the solution.